On YouTube more than ever before, you need to have one value proposition. Think Media right now is weakened. And sometimes people wonder, we got all these subscribers, why are the views? I've learned this the hard way. I've built up with one hand, I tear down with the other, because you can look in your analytics. A lot of people, they're like, well, I met him for cameras. Why is he talking about productivity? Well, I met him for cameras, but then why is he talking about even YouTube tips? Focus is even more important if you really care about crushing it on YouTube. High frequency channels and variety channels are struggling. And I used to teach, you should treat your YouTube channel like a TV station. It could be AMC. Some people watch The Walking Dead, but not everyone watches Comic Book Men. That's actually not true. If anyone's ever heard me say that, I have to scratch that out now, because it's actually, no, your YouTube channel is not like AMC. Your YouTube channel now is like The Walking Dead YouTube channel, and it's only The Walking Dead. And nobody wants Comic Book Men, and they also don't want Black Summer, because that's the prequel to Z Nation, and it's a whole different world, and some people don't like that. It's got to be just the freaking Walking Dead, just cameras, and I would probably be dominating at another level, at least in this micro, or just views and YouTube algorithmic. And so I still make a decision to say, well, this is my brand. I'm going to post the videos I want to, but we cannot be ignorant of the fact that someone subscribes for a reason. They want a certain promise. And if you can crack the code of having a broad enough value proposition, but a narrow enough value proposition that your content is no miss, and they connect with you, and they show up, actually, that you become predictably unpredictable, that you show up and they're like, that's my guy. Like Tony Robbins, dude, that's my guy for motivation. Benji Travis, that's my cooking guy. But if on Benji Man Food, he throws out WordPress plugins, you've just violated the veil, bro. And even small variations of that, focus is more important than ever before. And that'll really unlock YouTube growth when you dial that in.